What's up guys, and welcome to my YouTube channel once again. Today is another exciting day, and today I'm going to show you easy way that you can make money online by simply copying and pasting videos using your smartphone. And all this doesn't require any skill or knowledge. And if you like this video, smash the subscribe button and turn on notification so you won't miss future videos. When we talk about copying and pasting videos, we are simply talking about you working your way around the copyright issues that you are going to face under normal circumstances if you are going to copy videos from another person's channel or somebody's website. Okay, so I'm simply going to show you how you can do all of this without having to go out there and shoot your own video and publish it. And I'll also show you a website that you can simply upload your videos and be able to make money other than YouTube. And if you stick around to the end of this video, I promise to show you a way by which you can earn even more money or even double your earnings by simply following my simple trick. And like I said, if this video makes sense to you, if this video is adding value to you, remember to click the subscribe button and turn on notification so you won't miss future videos. So the videos that we are going to be using fall under a category that we describe as the Creative Commons, also known as CC in the YouTube world. And what is Creative Commons? Creative Commons is an international free organization, non-profit organization that provides license for content creators to use content without being attacked for copyright. And this particular organization, like I said, it allows you to use other people's content without breaking the copyright laws. So we are simply going to download our videos from YouTube, videos that fall under Creative Commons, and then we upload them into a different website where we can actually make money. And if you stick around and watch this video till the very end, I will show you a way by which you can make more money aside the amount that you are going to be paid for uploading the videos. And remember, this is working and many people are already earning, and I'm entreating you to take a step and also create an account and use it to make money. If you like this video, smash the subscribe button, turn on notification, and you won't miss future videos. And once again, this is Money City, and let's move into the tutorial, and I will show you how to create the account and how to upload the video. And at the end of the video, I will show you how to make more money using this method.
Yeah, so the videos you are going to be using, like I said, they are copyright free. They fall under the Creative Commons category, and so you don't have to worry about copyright issues. So all you have to do is open up your YouTube app and then search for any video at all that you wish to publish on the website, but you must make sure it's a Creative Commons video. So how do you do this? You just type in what you are looking for, like train your dog, okay, train your dog. Now here, what you have to know is that entertainment videos don't do very well, so you only have to look for something educational but something funny. So train your dog, and then you click on search. Okay, and if it all goes well, you should see a full list of videos that are related to dogs. Okay, yeah, now here you shouldn't be rushing to download any video because you probably don't know whether these videos are under copyright or not. So all you have to do is filter the search. So click on the three dots you see at the top right corner and click on search filter. Okay, and on the search filter you should see things like live, 4K, HD, subtitles, whatever. Then you see Creative Commons, so you click on Creative Commons and click on apply. And so all the videos you are now seeing here are all copyright free, and you don't have to worry about being flagged. So all you do is click on the three dots you see under the video you wish to download, and you click on share. Now on the share you see other means of sharing, but we also have one that allows you to copy the link. So we copy the link here to our clipboard, then we go back to our web browser. Now at the web browser, what you are going to be looking for is the YouTube video downloader. And I'm going to show you exactly how to get this done. Okay, yeah, so we search here YouTube downloader. So you can see the YouTube downloader, and that will be the first thing you'll see, the yt1.com. You click on it and it should take you to a page that will allow you to, so as you can see, they say what, search or paste YouTube link here. So we copied the link from YouTube, we're going to paste it here and be able to download the video. Okay, so we click on convert, and this should give you the video in all the formats. So you can see here, you can see get link, that is if I want to download it at 480 pixels and 34.9 megabyte, or I can simply change this to a different resolution like 360 pixels, 240 pixels, 144 pixels, or maybe the GP 144 and then 128 kilobyte per second. And so I will leave it at 360, but I've already downloaded the video, so I won't have to go through the process. But if you were downloading the video, you have to click on get link, and this should load, and then you click on the download button, and that is going to be done. If I search on the downloads here, you should see the video that I have downloaded. It's already there. Now the next thing, now we have our video, is copyright free. The question is, how do you make money from this thing? The answer is simple. Follow me. Here you go to a website known as rumble.com. And remember, rumble.com is a YouTube alternative, but just that on rumble.com you get the chance to make money right away without the requirements that you normally face when you go to YouTube, like meeting your 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours and things like that. Here you make money on the go. So I'll leave all the links in the description below, and if this video is making much sense to you, please smash the subscribe button, turn on notifications so you won't miss future videos, and like the video to make me know that I'm doing the right thing, and I'll be happy to do more of these videos. So let's move on. When you type rumble.com, you click on search. Okay, and as you can see, many people have already uploaded videos, and someone is making around $7. The video was uploaded in April 7th. Somebody is making 137. So it all depends on the traffic that your video is going to be pulling, and that will depend on, or that will decide how much you're going to be paid. So you click on the top right corner and you can see create account. If you already have an account, you click on sign in, but I'm simply going to show you how to create an account. Now you have three options. You can create the account as a publisher, as a business host manager or stuff like that, but you are going to create the account as a publisher. So the next thing you're going to do is to enter your username, password, then you retype your password here, enter your email address, retype your email address, select a country, and if you have a referral code, like if somebody referred you here, you put the referral code here, then your phone number, your date of birth, and your starter package. Okay, maybe you have a related website, that too should be included. Yeah, so we have business, publisher, and things like that. You see, So your account, we have free account, and here, so I will encourage you to create a free account, or you can actually create the publisher account where you also get to upload videos. So once your account is created, the next thing you want to do is log in. And because I have already created an account, I'm just going to go ahead and log in with my password. Then I click on sign in. Okay, so I think I created the account using my Gmail address, so I'll simply have to go back and then log in with my Gmail account. Yeah, so I'll click here and it's signing me in. Yeah, so I'm already signed in. As you can see, I have a dashboard. So how do you upload the video? That is the next question. As you can see, there is a top arrow pointing up in the green button. You click that and that is the upload button. The whole thing is loading. Now once it's loaded, you can see select video to upload. So I'm going to simply click select video to upload, and I'll go and search through my files, and that should give me the video that I downloaded. Okay, so under downloads, see I have 2 videos in there. On the videos, see we have 2 videos here. Yeah, so we select the video that we want to upload and wait for it to actually pick up. Yeah, so our video is downloading. You can see the progress bar. So while the video is processing, you go ahead and then enter the details of your video, like your title, and the title can still be the same as what we saw on YouTube: how to make your dog aggressive. Okay, how to make your dog aggressive. And if you follow this video to this end, it simple mean so how to make your dog aggressive easily. And if you follow me up to this end, it means you are already on the path to making money. Smash the subscribe button, like the video, leave a comment, and we will make money together. And under the description, you can describe your video as the video could be described as, if you want to make If you want to make your dog aggressive, then this video is for you. And here you can select your thumbnail, and so I'll prefer to just go with this as the thumbnail. Then the tags should just be something like dog training, dog training, aggressive, anything related to your video's title. Then here you can schedule when you want your video to go live, and once you are done entering the details of the video that you want to publish, the next thing you want to do is click on publish or upload. Now I was saying that if you hang around to the end of the video, I was going to show you how you can even make more money. Now this video is about dog training. Now you can sign up to any of the affiliate marketing platforms like ClickBank and other affiliate marketing sites. Then you search for products that are related to dog training. Then you copy your link and paste it in the description down below here. And when people watch your video and they probably buy products from your video, you make a commission. And at ClickBank, you make a commission of almost about 50 to 60% of the price of the product that you are promoting. So this is how you can make extra money apart from what you are going to make from this platform. So remember, you can use affiliate marketing to promote people's product related to your video, and that is how you make money. So we are going to click on upload, and as you can see the video, they are asking you to click what you want to your licensing options. I recommend you go with YouTube video management, or you use the personal use. So any of these could work. And once this has been ticked, the next thing you want to do is type in when the video was recorded, where it was recorded, and you provide either a YouTube link or something relating to the video. And once you are done entering all this, you click on submit. Now you also have to remember to agree to their terms and conditions, as this is the only way you are bounded by them to their company. So it's submitting. And once this video is actually submitted, all you have to do is sit back and watch the money roll in as viewers come in and then watch your video. So guys, this is how it is done. If you like this video, remember to click the subscribe button and leave a comment in the comment section if you want me to talk or make a video on something else. And always remember that this is Money City, and here we are concerned about helping you to make money online using your smartphone and the best possible ways. So thanks for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video. Remember to subscribe.